this video, I will show you how to delete all tasks in Google Calendar. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Calendar on your device. Now in here, go ahead and click on this switch to task button at the top right corner of your screen. And then once you're in here, click on this burger icon at the top left of your screen and check my tasks. So in your task section, go ahead and make sure to check all of the tasks that you want to delete. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find an option to delete all your completed tasks. So you need to make sure that you have checked all of the tasks that you want to delete. And then after that, you'll find that on the completed section. Click on the three dots at the top right of this and then click on delete all completed tasks and then click on delete, and that will allow you to delete all of your tasks in Google Calendar. And that is how you can basically delete all tasks in Google Calendar.